Hello all, my name is Minal Mahajan. Today our topic is probability. So do you know children what is the meaning of probability? Probability is the branch of mathematics that measures the uncertainty of the occurrence of an event using numbers is called probability. Probability has been introduced in maths to predict how likely events are to be happen. The probability always lies between 0 and 1. It can also be represented as a percentage where 0% denotes an impossible event and 100% implies a certain event. What is mean by event? An outcome is a result of a random experiment. For example, when we roll a dice, getting 6 is an outcome. The event is a set of outcomes. For example, when we roll dice, the probability of getting number less than 5 is an event. An event can have single outcome. What is mean by experimental probability? Experimental probability can be applied to any event associated with an experiment that is repeated a large number of times. A trial is when the experiment is performed once. It is also known as empirical event, empirical probability. So, empirical probability is equal to number of trials where the event occurred divided by total number of events. Theoretical probability. Theoretical probability can be calculated by using the formula P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E divided by number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. Here we assume that the outcomes of the experiment are equally likely. An event having only one outcome of the experiment is called an elementary event. For example, take the experiment of tossing a coin n number of times. One trial of this experiment has two possible outcomes, head or tails. So for an individual toss, it has only one outcome, that is head or tails. So what is mean by impossible event? An event that has no chance of occurrence is called an impossible event. That is P of E is equal to 0. For example, probability of getting a 7 on a roll of a die 0, as 7 can never be an outcome of this trial. Sure event. An event that has 100% probability of occurrence is called a sure event. The probability of occurrence of a sure event is 1. For example, what is the probability that a number of 10 after throwing a die is less than 7? So P of E is equal to P of getting a number less than 7. That is mean by the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and total outcomes are also 6. So 6 by 6 is 1. The coin is tossed 2 times. So total outcomes are 4. That is head, head, head and tail and head and tell and tell. A die is rolled once. So the sample space while rolling a die, you can see the 6 faces on the die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total number of outcomes are 6. Take an example of a pack of playing cards. Total playing cards are 52. There are 4 types of cards. Black color, that is club. Red color, that is heart. Spade, black in color. Diamond, black in color. Each of it contains 13 cards. So there are 12 face cards, as in one type of heart or club or spade or diamond has one king, one queen and one jack. So total number of face cards are 12. Number cards are from 2 to 10. There are total 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Thank you, children. I hope this information will help you